Good morning. The project that I'm going to be pitching today is essentially a professional development project that I'm seeking funds for. This project came to my attention through a couple of years of just speaking with different teachers and talking about what they need in order to most effectively incorporate technology into their classrooms. And really what they mention time and again to me is the training to effectively utilize a lot of technological resources. Our county spends tens of thousands of dollars a year on different software platforms, on additional hardware, on better hardware, but the area that our county lacks is the training in teachers to actually effectively utilize those particular pieces of equipment and software that they have available to them. So my idea is to more effectively train those teachers to utilize the resources they already have access to. As far as funding goes, uh, I am applying for a tiny grant. It's through the Governor's Office of Education, and that grant is going to be for $3,000. That money will be dispersed in three equal installments to actually a certified Google trainer that's going to be contracted to provide a lot of this professional development and how to incorporate a lot of Google resources into teachers' lesson plans. The money will be managed by our school bookkeeper and myself, the instructional technology specialist, and then will be dispersed out to that contracted trainer upon the conclusion of each training session that they conduct. The reason and overall arching goal of this program and how it's going to be achieved is to allow teachers to better incorporate technological resources into their lessons. We're going to be able to prove that this works simply by observations. We already have our TEAKS platform that requires administrators to observe teachers. So the idea being you combine teachers' survey responses with those administrators' observations, we should be able to pretty definitively see are teachers or are they not incorporating these resources into their classrooms.